What is up, everybody? It is me, KYSB, the biggest clanker of YouTube. How you guys doing? Today I got a special video for y'all. Now I know I said that I was gonna get the season 2 series for the Squid Game keychains, and actually, get it up. It is right here. I got the entire thing of 9 of them in here, and I got the entire box based. Got some cool stuff. I bought Jumbo Reese's because yeah, this thing is delicious. You got Cheez-Its, which is for a certain someone, also known as AK, and then you got Talkies here. I just dropped on accident. Anyways, let's go check out my bed. Over here we got a big Tung Tuzo, and we have a big Bombo Dilo Crocodilo. Quite cool. It's quite nice. Got some DRP too. Well, I got some Taco Bell, which is delicious. But yeah, let's go in and get straight into our unboxing of these packets. I've got 9 of them here, so let's go and unbox them. So as you can see, we can get a lot of different characters. We can get Gai Han, or just Gi-hoon. And there's Hwang In-ho, there's Gang Jung-ya, Kim Jun-hee, Cho Hyun-ju, Mars Officer Kang No-yeol. There's Young-hee doll, Chol-soo doll, the exclusive A, which is apparently going to be the pig. I mean, it looks like the pig. I mean, it could be anything. The exclusive B, which is also Thanos. Anyway, so let's see. Can we get anything good? Let's go for it. This reminds me of that one time when I bought the Series 1. Memory, bro. The nostalgia. Can you open? It's gonna be difficult, alright. How do you just open it? I will not be defeated. There we go, I told you I wouldn't be defeated. Young-hee. I'll take that, I haven't got that yet. Alright, that was our first one. We got a new one. So what we have right now, we have Gam Junja, we have Hyunju, and Kang No-yeol, which is nice. I'll take that. But let's go for our next one. I really want to get Thanos, bro. Or even the piggy bank. These are the only ones they had, so you know, bear in mind. It's very hard to convince one to even get me this, so it's not opening. Clanker. Open up, there we go. Let's see. Oh, piggy bank! Piggy bank. Sick. Yeah, we got one of the exclusives. Alright, that's sick. Alright, go for our third one. Can you open, please? Okay. Please, I really want to be Thanos, bro. Ooh, Kang No-yeol. Okay, I'll take that. You never know, because remember, I got Frontman really quickly when I first unboxed it. Even if it wasn't in the full video, I still got him quite rarely quickly. And I literally put it as me Frontman. Please give me Frontman. I get Frontman. That's crazy. What a crazy timing for me to say that. Please give me the Frontman. Like, 5 seconds later, Frontman. This thing is not opening. Open sesame. Open sesame. Okay, whatever. There's a will, there's a way. Told you. There's a will, there's a way. So funny. Ooh, Junhee, you're based. I just threw it and I completely missed the bin. Alright, so far we are only missing Gi-hoon, we got Hwang In-ho we're missing, Mars Officer, Chol-soo, and Thanos. Please. Please, love it, everything, get me Thanos. I need it. I need Legend Thanos. Please. Hwang In-ho. Alright, I'll take it. I'll take Hwang In-ho. There has to be Thanos in this one, bro. I swear. Thanos? You're in this one, I can tell. Thanos? Don't disappoint me, Thanos. You're in here, aren't you? Oh, Chol-soo. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Come on. We're down to 3 more. Come on. Please. Be Thanos. 2. You never know the chances, but I think there might be. I'm not gonna look, obviously. I'm gonna spoil it. Mars Officer. Okay, yes. Base! All we're missing is Song Gi-hoon. It could be Song Gi-hoon or even Thanos in it. It depends, really. But let's open this one. I'm gonna say this one's gonna be Song Gi-hoon. Or Gai-han. Gai-han. Please. It's Hyunju. Oh! Last one. Thanos, I need you to be. I want you to feel around. I don't think it's Thanos. Gi-hoon. Okay, you know what? I'll take it. I'll take it. I didn't get Thanos, but I got Gi-hoon. A Gai-han. Gai-han. I didn't get my exclusive though, which is quite cool. No Thanos, but I still got the first exclusive, which is quite cool. And you got Gai-han. Gai-han. We got the masked officer. Then you got the Cholsu. Then you got Hwang In-ho. I already have him before from the first one, but you know, whatever. 120. Kang No-yeon. The fact that I literally got Frightman like on one of the first ones is a crazy luck. Junhee. So cool. Alright, here is the box. Now, I want to wonder where I'm going to put this. I'm going to cut the sides off. Or should I? How can I possibly place it? Why no Thanos? I wanted Thanos. I'm gonna start crying now. Let me go and try to design this thing up. Get scissors out, and I'm gonna try and make it at least a little more spacious for me to put it somewhere. There's nothing on this part. There's nothing on this cardboard piece, so I'm just gonna take it off for no reason. Got this little piece off. Okay, nice. Let me get the other one off. Put that off. I don't want to damage the other box parts. So. That's nice. I mean, this is quite nice. I'd say it's quite nice. Where am I going to put this? Oh, my freaking coat fell over. I'm just going to put this over here, I think. Well, that works, I guess. Let me move some stuff around, actually. It's my little astronaut. This guy's like really cool. Lights up the place, makes it nice. Let's put it for here for now. And move my Reese's box, my egg waken. Keys for storing purposes. I am so evil. Anyways. And you got my Tesla ball. I barely use this thing anymore. Holy. The whole bottom was like glued to it, to the actual like panel. Jesus. There's some of my stuff in here just to make a little space. Some stuff that we don't need in there. Well, let me just clean my hands a little bit. They feel dusty. It's all this unboxing. Ugh. stuff around over here, and then we'll just let's just put them here. These can go here. No, just give me a toilet. Nice, alright. Alright, so let me show you. How you doing? It's me, Clanker. Here it is. How's it looking? Looking nice. At least not all in the corner now. It looks kind of more fashionable like this, so yeah. That's good. Anyways, I'm going to catch you on the next video. Biggie bang! Yay! Anyways, I'm going to go now. Get me to 5k. I'm really close to it.